you guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial we are going to see how to log out from Hotmail. For that we need to have Outlook installed on our phone because Microsoft has rebranded all its mailing services to Outlook. Before starting, I just want to say you that I have already made video on how to log in with Hotmail. So in case of any confusion, you can just go and watch that video. So now let's get started. Just tap on Outlook and we'll be navigated to homepage of Outlook, or we can even say Hotmail. So we can see over here add account and create a new account. So I also have made video on how to create a new account. In case if you want to create a new account, you can go and watch that video. I'll be just tapping on add account and we will be navigated to homepage of account. So we can enter our email, or we can even log in with Google account. So I'll be entering my username, that is email, and this is my email, and I'll tap on continue. Now we will be navigated to password page and where we can tap the password. So this is the password page where we can type our password. In case if we have forgotten the password, we can just tap on forget password. I'll be typing my password and click on sign in. It might take a few seconds. Yeah, so we are into the page of add another account. If you want to add another account, you just can tap on add, or you can tap on maybe later. I'll be tapping on maybe later. So now we are into the Hotmail homepage, where this is the Hotmail homepage of our mailing page. So in order to log out, we just can see Outlook logo over left top navigation. So we just need to tap over here and we can see setting at the bottom navigation. So we just need to tap over setting and we'll be navigated to setting page. We can see email accounts where we can see our username. We just need to tap over our username, and this is the account information page. We just need to scroll down and we can see reset account and delete account. We just need to tap delete account. Here delete account does not mean that deleting your account permanently. It just means that logging out of your account. So please don't be afraid. So you just need to tap on delete account and it says delete account, and we just need to tap over delete. So we are successfully logged out from Hotmail account. So this is it for today. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.